If you own the Pixel 6 and are thinking about upgrading to the Pixel 7, make sure you stay tuned to the video because I'm going to point out a few key differences between both devices to help you make that decision. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I box and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video, I'm gonna identify some of the key differences between the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 7. So without further ado, let's start with number one, the display. Now the display is slightly smaller. The Pixel 6 has a 6.4 inch display and the Pixel 7 comes in at a 6.3. Now the features are a lot similar to each other. They do have 90 Hertz 1080p display, but where the Pixel 7 gets the upper hand is it gets brighter. So in direct sunlight, you're going to get a better viewing experience from the Pixel 7 because it does get up to a peak of 1400 nits. Now talking about the display, also on the front there is a key feature, the selfie camera. Now it's similar in specs where it's 8 megapixel, but where it differentiates itself from the Pixel 6 is it's slightly wider. It comes in at 21 millimeters compared to the 24 on the Pixel 6. And not only that, one major feature that if you're into video that you're going to want to upgrade to the Pixel 7 is that it allows you to record in 4K 30 and 4K 60 frames per second. The previous Pixel 6 only allowed you to record in 1080p 30 frames per second. And of course, we can't talk about a new version without having a new processing chip. Now the Gen 2 Tensor chip on the Google Pixel 7s is going to get you slightly more performance, better battery optimizations compared to the old Gen 1 Tensor chip on the Pixel 6. Not only that, the Google Pixel has USB 3.2 in the 7 compared to the USB 3.1 in the Pixel 6. And lastly but not least, the battery. Now the Pixel 6 has a slightly bigger battery compared to the 7. The Pixel 6 has a 4614 milliamp hour battery compared to the 4355 milliamp hour battery. That has a lot to do with the smaller size in display, but I think with the new Tensor chip 2 and the battery optimization that this newer chip brings to this platform, you're not going to notice any differences between battery life. So those are some of the key differences that I noticed between both of these devices. Now the cameras in the back are very similar. You do have the same 50 megapixel regular wide and the 12 megapixel ultra wide. Dual speakers, same 8 gigabytes of ROM. So there's not too much difference in this device, but they do have some very nice key features that does differentiate the Pixel 7 from the Pixel 6. If those key features that I mentioned are important to you, then you should absolutely upgrade to the Pixel 7, especially if they're offering you a great trade-in value for your Pixel 6. The Pixel 7 is probably going to go on sale during the holiday season, so if you want to wait for them, you might get a good deal with the trade-in for the Pixel 7. Let me know down in the comments section below if you have any questions regarding the Pixel 7 or the Pixel 6, or if I made a mistake, or if you found another key difference between both of the devices. Let me know down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.